Hi guys, welcome back or just welcome. I'm Seray and this is my teacher.
Hi, I'm Gaye. Welcome back. Welcome.
Today our topic is
Appearances.
what is appearances?
Exactly. What is appearance?
Okay. I mean, what is appearances?
What is appearance?
Ben de onu diyorum işte.
So, for example, if you are beautiful, handsome,
Okay.
so these are your appearances.
Görünüş özelliklerim, dış görünüşüm.
Exactly.
Tamam.
Dış görünüş özellikleri. So, appearances. Seray, what is the meaning of güzel in English?
Beautiful.
Wonderful. What other things can I say for example, if I see a beautiful girl,
Like gorgeous.
exactly, gorgeous.
Büyüleyici.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you are looking amazing.
That tone was great. Like, you look amazing.
Okay, what else?
Maybe we call, for example, if I see a woman with a beautiful dress, with a fancy dress, and the hair is, very nicely done.
Okay.
So I call that woman stunning.
Oh, stunning, you're stunning. Çarpıcı.
Exactly
You're
what
stunning,
you
hani
said.
çarpıyorsun gibi.
Yes. Great.
Parlıyorsun hep böyle bir kafamda öyle ona denk getirdim hep.
Oh yes, exactly. So, stunning is a very, very like fancy dress. Hair is
Yani
perfectly done.
çok iyi böyle üst level. Öf
Exactly.
yani.
Wonderful. We also have
Shakira mı? Why?
because Shakira is a very gorgeous woman,
Okay.
isn't she?
Yeah, she is.
Oh yes. I think
I
so
agree
too.
with that.
There was a video like Shakira, da da da da da da da. So what about tatlı? Do you know the meaning of like tatlı?
Sweet.
Oh yes, exactly.
So sweet, so cute.
Oh yeah, cute.
Cute, sweet.
Maybe we have pretty,
Oh, okay, pretty.
or maybe we have lovely.
Lovely.
Have you?
Sevimli.
Exactly. So lovely, pretty. Yeah, I think these are all for women. But have you ever used like lovely before?
I never used. I have never used.
Oh, very nice. Exactly.
I've never used.
Yes.
Yoksa sen duymadın. Ben zaten baştan öyle söylemiştim. Neyse, I've never used the lovely before. Because I think it's don't need to like I don't need to use that like you're so sweet, you're so cute. It's better than lovely because it's like so. I think it's the thing for the popular girl in high school. Like, oh, it's lovely. Yeah.
I now got it. The phrase. It looks like childish.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
kinda like the you know the mean girls. Like, oh, you look so lovely. Like, yeah. It seems like it's not seems like it's
Sounds
öyle
like.
sounds like yeah.
Oh, it sounds like that. All right. Oh yes, exactly. Yeah, I think I also use lovely. I use it for example, if I see a cute toy, I say, "Oh, it looks so lovely."
Oh.
Yeah, it's also used for other things too. Okay. Seray, have you ever heard? She turns heads.
Turns heads mi?
Yes.
Turns heads.
Not like turning the head.
Yeah. But can you spell the head?
Exactly. H-E-A-D. Head.
H-E-A-D. Head.
Heads.
Yes. Turns head.
Yeah, she turns heads.
Böyle baykuş gibi mi?
But she turns heads. Oh, look at the woman, she turns heads.
Kafaya dönmüş.
Oh no, actually. We have a phrase in Turkish. Baş döndürüyor.
Ha, doğru, tamam.
Exactly.
Passive. Turns head.
Exactly.
It turns head gibi. Tamam,
turns
ben anladım.
heads.
Ben şimdi anladım.
There's also one more thing. What is the meaning of çekici in English?
Attractive.
Exactly, attractive. We also have a slang, hot.
Okay. Yes, she's so hot. What's meaning of in Turkish? Like
I don't want to say it, but I mean,
ateşli mi?
exactly, like, I mean, like fire. I mean, she fires.
Okey. Çünkü şey dedim. O kız çok sıcak ya. Of, çok sıcak. Aynen. Çok ateşli. Evet, çok ateşli.
Exactly. She.
Getting hot in here.
Seray. But this is not something that we can use. For example, if you are close with somebody, then you can use this one. So hot is a slang word.
Okay.
Exactly. So be careful about
Okay,
that.
okay.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say you are hot. Who I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, exactly.
Okay.
Oh, exactly. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay. So what about the meaning of çirkin?
Ugly.
Ugly. Yes. So we say ugly. What about a little bit?
Body shaming'e giriyoruz.
No.
I'm not gonna say fat.
Yes.
Don't do this to me. I'm not gonna say.
Yes. So we're gonna be a little bit kind when it comes to telling the weight. So we're gonna say overweight, for example.
Thank you. I didn't know that. So yeah, actually I know that, but I didn't remember.
So overweight we can say, or we can also use heavy or big.
Biggest sounds like rude.
But for example, think about the securities. I mean, these are men, but they are
How big?
big. Yeah. I mean, they have muscles.
Kalıplı, büyükler.
Exactly.
Tamam.
The same goes with heavy.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Tamam.
So they are big. They are neutral actually. But when you see big men like securities, I mean, you call them like
Okay.
big. Not overweight, but big has muscles.
Tamam.
What
What
do we
else?
call them in Turkish?
Yapılı mı?
Oh yeah.
Kaslı mı?
Kaslı yapılı.
Tamam.
Okay. So Seray, for example, when you see a little child, it doesn't matter how old she or he is, but they are overweight and they are cute. What do you call them? Like we call them like chubby.
Okay. What do we call them in Turkish? Like what's mean of chubby?
Tatlı ama böyle.
Tombul.
It's cute.
Tamam.
Tombuş.
Body shaming de içinden geçtik bugünler.
We are using this for children most of the
Tamam.
time. Let's go with woman. What is the meaning of etli butlu mu diyoruz?
Balık etli.
Thank you very much.
Fish
That was a good try, but no. So we say like plump.
plum. Okay.
Plump. Have you ever heard about this word before? Plump.
No. Plum. Like what's the meaning of rouge? Rouge.
Lipstick.
Oh, okay. There is a lipstick makes your lips are bigger.
Okay.
So it's plump lipstick.
Isn't it?
Plumping because it's plumping. Okay.
Because it is
Ben bunu
plumping.
uydurdum az önce. Ama öyle. Plumping.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, I didn't know that.
Balık etli dudaklarmış yani aslında.
Alright, great. So we have plump. We also have like. Do you know Kim Kardashian?
Yeah.
Like they are
Curvy.
exactly. So they have a curvy body. Curvy body.
Okay.
What is curvy in Turkish?
Kıvrımlı. No. Kıvrımlı.
Also, we have one last thing. Seray, ince. What do you call ince?
Tiny.
Yes, but tiny can be anything.
Oh, okay. Like
For
this. Thin.
Exactly. We call thin. What other things do you know? For example, we have thin, but we have other things.
Anladın mı ne diyeceğim?
All right. So we call them like slim.
Slim. Okay.
Slim also.
Okay. Slim. It makes sense.
And we also have like slender.
Oh, there was a character like scary.
I know
Scary
it.
Yeah, Slender Man.
Slender
Like,
man.
I was literally so scared of Slender Man
Like really?
when I was a child. Yeah.
Oh my god. But I think it was the character from a video game.
I don't know, but in YouTube there was so many videos about that. So we were always watch these videos about
Watching.
what we were.
We were watching.
Oh, okay. We were watching these videos like all the time, and I couldn't not sleep. In
Oh,
night,
that's so cute.
Because I was thinking the Slender Man can climb our apartments to the windows, so because it's so tall, too tall.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I mean,
No. Şu an hiç korkmuyorum ama o zaman çok korkuyordum.
Slenderman. Okay. We also have skinny. Do you know the meaning of skinny?
Dar.
Why?
Dar. Skinny jeans.
Exactly. But we also call skinny for people too. But they are, I mean, this is a little bit rude.
Okay. The rude ones. Tamam. Örnek vermeyeceğim Türkçeden.
Yes. I
Ve
feel...
ikimiz de zayıfız. Kesin çok zorbalanmışızdır ikimiz de küçükken.
Yeah, for example, look at me.
Kolu.
So you're also thin. Just like me.
Evet.
Yes. We are the same. How much?
Ya ama şimdi değerini biliyorum. Beni elbet arayacaksın ama telefonla değil mumla. Var öyle bir şarkı olur.
I think it's time for me to leave. So skinny is a little bit bad.
Don't use it.
Yeah. So Seray, right now I'm gonna ask you, who is your favorite actor or actress or singer? Can you tell me one?
Okay, I can say Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish is a
Amazing singer. Amazing diye şok oldum. She's amazing.
Great, wonderful.
She's my favorite singer. Yeah, she's a star.
Can you please describe Billie Eilish's appearance? I mean, what does she look like?
She is everything beautiful.
She's everything beautiful. Exactly, she's everything beautiful.
O güzel olan her şey. Kızın bir kusuru yok.
So, Sarah, I'm also gonna ask, I mean, one maybe a little bit overweight person?
No, she's not.
No.
Maybe we can say plump.
Exactly.
Like, yeah.
Yes, but I was about to ask you another question, but this is it. She is a little bit plump. She's a plump. What do you think about...
Plump umarım balık etlidir. Eğer tam olarak balık etli demek değilse Billie Eilish fanları bizi mahveder.
I am gonna ask one more example, but this time it's gonna be a man. So can you name one man? Who's your favorite man? Who's your favorite actor, singer? But I want it to be a man.
Okay.
For example, probably my favorite actor is Adam Driver.
Ay onu görsem tanırım.
Actually, as far as I know, he is the. Do you know? Have you ever seen Star Wars?
No,
you
I have
didn't.
never watched.
Marriage Life, the movie.
No, I don't know who is this guy.
Yeah, I don't know who this is.
Who this is? Okay.
Exactly, Adam Driver, a very
Sorulara
talented
bak.
man.
Adam Driver aslen nereli? Hani aslen nereli?
I'm very curious.
California. Fontana.
All right. So, Seray, who is your favorite actor?
Actor, but the male actor.
Exactly.
Okay.
Ryan Gosling or singer. I mean, it could be also a singer.
I can say now the vocal of the Dul Kadehi Ters Tut. He is amazing singer. He has amazing voice and çok iyi şarkı söylüyor. Gerçekten ben bir kadın vokal olarak kıskanıyorum şarkı söylemesini. O kadar güzel söylüyor.
Who? Dul Kadehi Ters Tut. Lead singer.
Yeah, lead singer.
Okay. But what does he look like? For example, I don't know.
He has mustache.
Mustache.
Okay.
Beard.
Öyle hatırlıyorum. I remember it. And he has not beard, but he has mustache. Mustache.
Yeah, mustache.
Mustache direkt o zaman. He has mustache. Okay.
Exactly.
And then he has curly hairs, and I don't know what can I say also. I don't remember which color his eyes are.
Exactly.
What color
his eyes are. That's it. Can you describe, I mean, does he look big? Is he handsome or lean? Like
Lean?
Thin.
Lean.
Thin.
Okay.
L-E-A-N.
Yine şey mi demek? Zayıf mı demek?
Exactly, we can say the same.
I can say he is, I think, the normal. Like he's not lean, but he's not big also. He is normal. Like he has ne bileyim normal body.
He has normal height and weight.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Yeah, I think, Seray, these are all about, appearances. Seray, for you, what is the definition of a good-looking man and woman for you?
Güzel ahlaklı, iyi birisi neden olmasın? I believe if the person is a bad person, is a bad or something, we can understand his or her. Yüzüne vurur derler, insanın içi yüzüne vururmuş. I think important thing is the smile of the person. Like it doesn't matter she or he.
Exactly. If you smile, if you are a positive person.
No, if you smile değil. If you have cute smile or like I don't know how can I describe it?
Good smile.
Good smile is like
lovely smile.
Lovely smile. Is important to I can describe you're good or you're handsome or beautiful.
That's it. Thank you very much, Seray.
Oh, bugün de bitti ben. Arkadaşlar yorum yazın demiştim ya, yorumları okuyoruz şu anda. O yüzden yorum yazın, tamam mı? Sera, ben asla Seray değilim. Benim eski çıktığım kıza benzediği için izlerken üzülüyorum. Harika iş çıkartıyorsun. Teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. Gördüğüm en keyifli İngilizce kanalı ama favori gerçekten şu an yorumum o. İzlerken üzülüyorum. Sorry. İbn Sina'mış adı da. Seray niye yazmıyorsun? Ben Serah mıyım? İbn Sina. Bu kanalı geçen hafta keşfettim. Çoğu zaman aynı videoyu tekrar izliyorum. Çok iyi içerik demiş. Tamam. Çok uzun bir paragrafta, özür dilerim Tutku. Yeni hocamız da çok tatlı. Ama Visam Hoca'yı özledik. Ben de özledim
we
ama
love you.
Seray çok sempatiksin ya. Devamı gelsin. Sinem Kılıç harikasın. Yes, ma'am. Lots of people and I. We are waiting for this level. Güzel bir message.
Güzel bir message.
Evet, mesaj.
It's a nice message.
Okey, bunu beklediklerini söyleyenler olmuş. Çok tatlı. Visam Hoca'yı özlediğini söyleyenlere çok üzülüyorum. Yes, you're influencer. I saw you. Okay. Here came my favorite part of series. Ay çok tatlı şeyler var. Türkçe konuşamayınca otomatik yapılan jest ve mimikler. Yorumları okuyoruz. These were the appearances.
Great, wonderful, amazing,
Gorgeous, stunning.
lovely, chubby, perfect. Oh yes, all right. Thank you very much and see you.
Bye bye.